Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem on problems in 1D motion in that kinematics. This time I have taken a problem from Andhra Pradesh CET and this is a problem which is a bit tougher, not very tough but tougher, but there is a chances of a lot of confusion in this. So I would want you to think that always when you attempt a problem, go from the very basics and you have to sometimes believe on mathematics and it will do the tricks. Okay, so let us look at the problem. Okay, the problem is something like this. A diving board is at a height of h from the water surface. So you have a water surface and then you have a diving board somewhere here. This is the pole and here you have some diving board. Okay, and diving board is at a height of h, right? A swimmer standing on the board, what does he do? He throws a stone vertically upwards, right? So he throws a stone, he cannot just dive, he want to throw a stone, make some fun there, okay? So he throws a stone up and then the stone comes back, right? And when he throws up, pretty strong guy, so 16 meters per second is the speed with which it is thrown, okay? So that stone which goes up and then comes down takes a time of 5 seconds. So starting from here, it goes up, goes down and reaches the water. And this total time is given as 5 seconds. In the next 0.2 seconds, that is after the stone has reached, the splash has to be heard, is it not? The splash will be heard by the diver after 0.2 seconds because the sound waves have to come till there, no? So it takes another 0.2 seconds for the diver to hear the sound again. The speed of sound is, given the acceleration is 10 meters per second. They're asking what would be the speed of sound. So pretty a twist question, but it is not that difficult if you think properly, okay? Now, always whenever the distance is involved and times are involved, one of the best thing is that S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now you may think, sir, from here to here I should calculate first the height, the distance, the time and all those things, then from here to here. No, not required. This only suffices, okay? So first of all, which is the direction you are taking positive? We will take this as the positive x, okay? Let us take acceleration due to gravity A is equal to minus g. Why? Because this is positive, g is negative. So, and g is equal to 10 meters per second. So, we will take as 10 meters per second, right? So, second square, I'm very sorry students, second square, sometimes we do mistakes, very small ones, okay? So, now this would be equal to, S is what? We do not know, right? Do we know the S? No, we do not know. So, we will say yes, okay? U is 16 meters per second into time 5 seconds, right? What is that 5 seconds? When it is going up and coming down, okay? Then plus half into what is acceleration minus g, which is 10 into t square, which is 5 square. Now if you apply this, this will come as 80 minus 125, which is equal to minus 45 meter. You see students, the mathematics has taken care of the physics, right? So what is happening here? The S which is there, it goes up and then comes down, the distance. So what is the distance? From here, it is minus 45. So this is 45 meters. So what is H? H is 45 meters. Very simple and easy problem, right? So once we know H is 45 meters, then what we can do is, we can calculate the speed of sound because we know the distance here is 45 meters and velocity is actually equal to distance by time, right? What is the distance? 45 meters. What is the time taken? 0.2, right? So 0.2 is nothing but 45 divided by 1 divided by 5, does it not? So it is equal to 45 into 5, which is 225 meters per second. Some people who are good at general knowledge will say, sir, on the earth, in the atmosphere, the velocity is almost 340 meters per second. Why is it 225 meters per second? We are not to worry those things. Okay. The problem is given. He is hearing after that whether it is according to the problem, it is right. So don't say that, sir, it is 340 meters per second. Actually, the velocity of sound on the Earth's surface. Maybe, may not be. Depends on a lot of factors like temperatures. Like we say, speed of sound is square root of gamma into RT, right? So there are a lot of factors which is there. Okay, we will not go to much depth of it. We will not to say there is a Hindi saying "baal ka khal nikalna" means removing the skin of the skinning the in the hair. So this is how it is. So answer is A 225. I hope you have enjoyed this problem, students. All the best. Happy learning.